Hey, Adam here with Georgia Spa Company. Today we're going to be sharing some tips on our Addy floating system. After you've initially balanced your hot tub's pH, alkalinity, and calcium, we're then going to move to the Addy system. In the box that you receive, you're going to have a jump startup pack. You're going to add that next and run the spa for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes have elapsed, you're going to move to the cartridge system. You're going to find in the box a Smart Chlor Silver cartridge and the mineral cartridge. This cartridge is going to last 2 to 4 weeks, and it's going to be replaced when the floating system has the silver side above the water surface. Now there's a specific dial on the bottom of the silver cartridge. You're going to dial in based off the maintenance guideline sheet that we provided you. So on my particular tub here, we're going to set it to 3. We're going to attach it to the mineral cartridge, and it's off to the races. Once the cartridge flips upside down, you're going to shock the tub and replace the Smart Chlor cartridge and replace it back into the tub. After you've gone through 3 Smart Chlor cartridges, you're at your last month, and you're going to replace your blue cartridge on the 4th month. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful. We also have additional services like our Easy Valet and Home Auto Ship programs to help maintain your spa. If you'd like more information about these programs or you have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. You can also visit us online at georgiaspacompany.com.
Bringing relaxation home, right where I want to be.